Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful cardigan. It's a very warm cardigan because I've used the 100% merino wool. Then I worked a nice edge with an eyelash yarn. For this project I use Emozione from Mondial. I choose these beautiful shades of colors and an eyelash yarn Splendor, also from Mondial. 3.5mm hook and 5mm hook for the details of the edge. Now we are going to make a big square with a simple granny stitch. So first you do a magic ring, then chain 3 and 2 double crochet inside the circle. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the ring. Chain 2 and repeat 2 more times. Then pull a starting tail, then use a slip stitch in the third chain to close the round. Now we use chain 3 to perform the first double crochet, and we do 2 double crochet in the first space. Then we move on to the next space where we do 3 double crochet. Then chain 2 and 3 double crochet more. In this way we increase the corner. And now we move in the next space and repeat 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now we move to the third space and repeat again. Now arrive at the end, we go to the last space to complete the first corner, and we do another little group, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch into the third chain. In the third round we use a slip stitch till we reach the next space. In the next space we do the first side. So we do chain 3 and 2 double crochet. After this we move directly into the next space, and we are going to increase by using 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now we begin the second side by moving to the next space and doing 3 double crochet. And now we're moving to the next corner, and we are going to increase by using 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. And continue this sequence until the end of this round. Use a slip stitch in the third chain to close the round. Now you're just going to repeat this sequence, working one group of 3 double crochet in each sides of each space and working one increase in each corner. Let's repeat this together one more time. So chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space. One group again in the next space. Increase working 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the first corner. So continue this sequence until the end of this round. Use a slip stitch in the third chain to close the round. And now you're just going to repeat until you have a square about 75 centimeters or 30 inches. Okay, this is my 75 centimeters square. Look, this beautiful shade of gray and blue. So cut the yarn and make a knot. But before proceeding, grab your yarn needle and we are going to weave the tails inside the cardigan. Now fold the square in half and then we are going to make a seam on both sides, leaving an open part for the armhole. So attach to the side a clip about 18 centimeters or 7 inches, and this is your armhole from corner, and attach a clip here or a marker and sew from the clip to the end. And do the same thing on the other side. This is your armhole and sew from the clip to the bottom. And repeat this on the other side. This is the project after sewing, and now we are ready to make an edge all around. So take the eyelash yarn Splendor and 5mm hook. Before proceeding, put a marker or clip on the neck part, because here we will make increases to create a nice curly edge. So let's start from the bottom and work 2 double crochet in each space. We work up toward the first clip. When we reach the joint, we treat it as a space. So we do 2 double crochet, then continue till we reach the first clip. So we do 2 double crochet into each space until we reach the first clip. Now remove the clip, and after the clip we do 4 double crochet in each space. 4 double crochet in each space until they reach the next clip or marker. And now we finish by working 2 double crochet in each space, as we did it at the beginning. And slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete this round. In the second round we will work 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch until the first marker. Then we will work 2 double crochet in each double crochet of the previous row from marker to marker. So now chain 1 and then 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the first marker. Now remove the marker. And now work 2 double crochet in each stitch of the previous round and put the marker here in the first double crochet, and now work 2 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the last marker. If you want a more curled edge, you have to do more double crochet in the same stitch. After marker, work 1 double crochet in each stitch to complete this round. and slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete this round. And now we will do 1 double crochet in each stitch for 2 rounds more. And slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete this round. And now we are going to cut the yarn and weave the tails inside the edge with the tapestry needle. Now let me show you the finished cardigan. As you can see, I didn't work the edge with eyelash yarn on armhole because I think it's too much. The size of this cardigan is a medium size, so if you want to have a bigger cardigan, you just have to keep on increasing the corners of your square. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to see your cardigan and the different colors that you choose for yours, so remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Grazie, ciao e tanto love!